How to switch from FBA to FBM on Amazon Seller Central. Amazon gives sellers two main ways to fulfill orders, FBA and FBM, and knowing the difference can make a big impact on your profits. Today, I'll explain what each one is, which you might switch, and how to make that change inside Seller Central. So FBA stands for Fulfilled by Amazon. You send your inventory to Amazon's warehouses and they handle storage, packaging, shipping, and customer service. The benefit, you get the Prime badge, faster delivery, less operational work, but you'll pay all Amazon storage and fulfillment fees, which can definitely add up. FBM stands for Fulfilled by Merchant. This means you store your product yourself or through a third party and ship orders directly to customers. The benefit, you control inventory, avoid FBA fees, and have more flexibility. The trade-off is you handle all the shipping and customer service yourself. So why would you switch? You might switch from FBA to FBM if your product is oversized and FBA fees are too high. You have seasonal stock and want to store it yourself. Amazon warehouse delays are slowing down restocking, or you want more control over shipping and packaging. To switch, log into Seller Central, go to Inventory, Manage All Inventory. Find which product you actually want to switch. Click on that button on the far right, the three dots. And then click on Change to Fulfillment by Merchant. And then save your changes. Your listing will now show as FBM, meaning you'll ship the orders yourself. Switching fulfillment methods is just one part of running a profitable Amazon business. If you want a clear, proven system to find products, source them for profit, and scale without months of trial and error, the OA Challenge is the easiest way to learn. Link in the description below. Try it out now.